That is a game. But it is a game that where you will play the role of nations. It is a game where you will stand in their shoes, not yours. Where you will represent their interests and not yours. It's role play.
Honorable Madam Chair, Co-Chair, fellow delegates, ladies and gentlemen.
To discuss on such an alarming issue regarding electronic waste that has threatened the livelihood of our planet.
Have you ever considered about your nation, your citizens, and other people? Why do we have to take a second-hand product to our nations?
Delegation of Saudi Arabia, we, the delegate of Germany, has taken that into consideration. That was why we limited the countries of choice by their technologies, their availability of human resources.